What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today we are going to talk about Hugging Face AI. Hugging Face is an advanced hosting platform for AI models, allowing users to effortlessly upload, share, and utilize their models. Users can create a dedicated space on Hugging Face faces to upload AI models, execute commands, and incorporate scripts for a user-friendly interface displaying results. This platform supports multiple models, offering real-time interaction and visualizations of outputs such as images, videos, and text. So, let's dive in on how to use this platform. To begin using Hugging Face faces, users must create their unique API key. Once obtained, this key can be input into the platform's interface to execute commands conveniently. Users can customize platform behavior and output by writing and uploading scripts with the UI displaying the results for real-time interaction. To generate an API key, users can register on the Hugging Face website, receiving a unique identifier for accessing the platform's functionalities. This key is essential for utilizing the platform's features effectively. The user-friendly UI of Hugging Face simplifies the process of running commands. By entering the API key, users can select models, adjust input parameters, and execute commands, with a UI showcasing the output for analysis and interaction. A standout feature of Hugging Face is the ability to integrate custom scripts, allowing users to personalize platform behavior and outputs. The UI offers options for selecting and running scripts, enabling users to experiment with different functionalities and enhance their models. Hugging Face provides flexibility in customizing the UI to suit individual preferences. Users can modify the layout, add custom elements, and craft a personalized interface. Additionally, users can create their own UI using the platform's API, tailoring the user experience to meet specific requirements. In conclusion, Hugging Face stands out as a cutting-edge platform that revolutionizes the hosting and utilization of AI models. With its user-friendly interface, support for multiple models, and real-time interaction capabilities, users can explore the full potential of their AI creations. By offering seamless uploading, script integration, and customization options, Hugging Face empowers users to tailor their experience, experiment with different functionalities, and create unique outputs. This versatile platform opens up a world of possibilities for AI enthusiasts and professionals alike, making AI model deployment and interaction more accessible and engaging than ever before. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.